In this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram story from PC. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open your browser. Then click onto the search box and type in Instagram and press enter. Once the results appear, go ahead and click onto the first link to open Instagram. Of course, you want to make sure to log into your Instagram account. Now, as you can see, if you're using Instagram on your PC, it doesn't give you the option to post a story. And if I click onto create from the list on the left-hand side, you can see it only allows me to create a normal post. So instead, you want to click onto the three dots in the top right-hand corner of your screen, then scroll down and hover over the More Tools option. Then you go to the left here and click onto Developer Tools. And now go up here and to this PC and phone icon. It's called the Toggle Device Toolbar, and give it a click. And then go to the left here and select the dimensions of a phone from your choice. So in my case, I'm going to keep it selected to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, for the next step, you want to refresh the page. And as you can see here on the screen on the left-hand side, the Instagram changed and now it looks more like the phone app. And now if I click onto the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of this screen, you can see that now I have the option to add a story normally and it works just fine. So make sure you don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to stay tuned for any new videos, and see you guys in the next one.